Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna look at a Sega pinball machine. I think it's from 1995. I mean, back in the 90s, X-Files was just one of the best series. I really enjoyed watching it. And this is the pinball machine from back then. And this one it's modded alright. I mean, look at first of all, the playfield, it's in really nice condition. And look at this mod. I mean, the camera can't pick everything up, but look at the size and details of this one. It looks amazing. The pop bumpers, they're lit, as you can see, with red LEDs over there. Baby is lit with red and green, yeah, flashers. Look at the mod back here with the alien. Love this one. Look at this coffin with alien inside. It's a great looking mod. I mean, the real deal. It looks amazing on this machine. It really sets the, I don't know what's it called, but you really feel like you're watching the series, guys, when you're playing this one. So the file cabinet. And you can choose between Scully or Mulder. And the sound is just, love it. This game doesn't get that much respect. Maybe it's because it's Sega, I don't know, but I don't know, I have always liked this machine. Yeah. Looks great. Yeah. X-Files from Sega. Have a great day, guys. Bye.